besties, welcome to another video. And guess what, it's Sunday, so it's sales stats Sunday, and every Sunday we tell you what the dealio is on our sales, in person, eBay, online, anywhere that we put it, except for my subscription boxes. I don't tell you guys what my subscription box numbers are, but for the week of the 23rd to the 1st, we got zero sales on all platforms, which is fine. We needed that reset. I gotta tell you guys, hubby decided to join the National Guard, so that left me being the only parent making decision in my household and running my household, up to like learning how to change the battery on a Ring doorbell on my own. These are things that now I have to learn to do on my own, besides going to work, taking care of the kids, um, taking care of the business, making products, etc., etc., etc. So with that being in mind, it's just a lot going on. So for that week, in the build up, in that preparation for him to leave that following Monday, which was the second, the fourth, I think he left the third, um, but he actually flew out on the fourth. So he left to Albany, New York, and then flew from there to Pennsylvania, to Missouri, and all of that. So he's in the National Guard. And today was the very first day I got to speak to him and see his face, and he saw his kid's face, and that was amazing. He is happy. I'm just gonna say that he's happy. I thought I was gonna see like a tired, grumpy, want to go home face, but no, he's happy, and that makes me happy, because I was worried, I was concerned. Is he okay? Is he this? Is he that? But he was happy, and that makes me happy. So I'm excited. I'm excited for him to be successful and graduate from all of this and put another notch on his belt, because he's a very hard worker, um, very straight. So that's what our family was going through. So I needed that break, that reset. But like I said, that week I did get my subscription boxes out, even though I got them out late. I still got them out. Yeah, it was a chore. It was a lot. It was a lot to juggle. We are outside because my kids, I'm the only parent, and you know how kids are, mommy, mommy, mommy. So it's even on 1,000 right now. So for me to get at least 5 minutes to talk to y'all, I have to come outside. Even if I go downstairs, they come downstairs. So yeah, this is a little breather until we get our own little routine, until they know what's going on. It might be a lot of like outside in my car type of video. But yeah, so we are planning. I uploaded some cameras that I have in the house on eBay. So I'm hoping those will sell soon. And I have the video up. No, I did the video, I should say. I did the video for my wax warmer. So I need to post that on both my eBay and on my Etsy channel. And what else am I plan to do? I want to do a video, because I wrote a blog, right? So I want to do the video to correspond with the blog. I'm excited. So I want to try to do that, because I have another nurse covering 2 days for me this week. So this week I'm off work for 2 days, and I'm just gonna like do a lot of content, just push a lot of content out. And yeah, so I'm planning to do 2 videos coming this week, which would be the week of what would it be, the 10th on. Okay, so today's the 9th, so it's the week of the 9th on. So because today's Sunday, and I do my videos, week or two behind, which is fine. So we are gonna be doing a video to correspond with that blog that that blog. So yeah, so look out for that video coming out this week. I'm pushing for a Wednesday for it to post. I'm gonna do it on Tuesday, edit it, and then have it scheduled to upload for Wednesday, which is exciting. I'm gonna do a lot more tutorials. I plan on showing you guys the body butter, the incense, all of that good stuff, and I'm gonna try and batch my content. So if you see me in the same clothes, don't judge me. I'm just gonna be giving you guys content after content after content, and I hope you guys love it. The sun is going down now, but the skin still looks so pretty right now. I love it. Even though I was feeling a little down until late this evening, this afternoon. So if you guys want to support me being a military wife, I know I don't have my rings on, but me being a military wife right now, it'll be awesome if you guys would subscribe to one of my subscription box, the candle or the self-love box, or at least make a purchase. I will love that very much. And yes, I am asking. And please subscribe also. The website is essencebyellie.com, essencebyellie.com. And then smash that subscription button and that notification bell because it's about to get real. Like, I have like 6 days that are covered by another nurse, and I'm just trying to like grind hardcore to get the business out there. Like I said in my previous video, if you watch, I think it's episode 8, I'm trying to not work anymore. I love what I do, and I say that I'm very good at it. I'm passionate about it. I love seeing growth and development in the children that I work for or the adults that I work with. But I think it's about time. I've been having this business since September 2020, and I've been working as doing hobbies for 5 years prior to that. And last year, I've been grinding really hard to get my online popping. And last year I had over 200 orders, and I'm very happy with that. And then this year I want to double or triple that order. And I reset my, I gotta do a video. I reset my counter clock for just the year. So this year is counting, and I don't know how much it is because I haven't plugged it back in since I reset it, but I will be doing a video showing you guys how much I got. All right, guys, that's it. If you like my video, my content, and want to support me, again, it's essencebyellie.com, and smash that like button. And I'll see y'all. Bye-bye, besties.